The following segment is sponsored by Martin, Harding, and Mazzotti.
Welcome back, everybody. Our phones are obviously a crucial part of our daily life these days, but they're also very distracting to drivers. Apple is currently being sued for not taking greater efforts to prevent distracted driving. Plus, the creators of the app Snapchat recently won a court case that ruled the app is not responsible for injuries that occur while drivers use it. Here to examine these issues is managing partner Paul Harding from the law firm Martin, Harding and Mazzotti. Thank you for being here.
Sure.
Every Wednesday we see you. It's always a pleasure. Apple was recently sued in what is known as a class action lawsuit. Can you explain to us what a class action lawsuit is and how it differs from a regular lawsuit?
Sure. Well, it's like a regular lawsuit in the sense that someone suffered some injury or loss and they're suing someone to recover that money. But what they're saying is, hey, so many people have been injured the same way, we're going to lump a bunch of them into one lawsuit.
What can you tell us about this class action lawsuit against Apple?
Well, we've got this guy who's driving down the road, and he is looking at his Apple phone. He hits the car in front of him. So the car in front of him brings a claim not only against the driver who hit him, but other drivers who are similarly situated. So that is sort of the genesis and the basis of that claim. And you know, whether or not a class action is the proper format to bring, I personally think not. I don't know if it'll get certified, but that's what's on the radar.
I mean, does his case have any merit?
You know, I don't think it's going to work. So what we have here is a classic situation where drivers who are distracted, it's a problem. They say 1.5 million drivers at any one time are texting on the road, sort of kind of unthinkable stat. But to hold Apple accountable, right? Who's accountable? The person who chose to do something, texting and driving or something, not paying attention. So I just think that's going too far. There's been other claims. They haven't been successful. And so I think that this case is going to end the same way.
And there's that lawsuit involving Snapchat, where Snapchat won. Does that have any, will that weigh at all with the Apple case?
It feels so similar to me that maybe they didn't know that was going to happen before they brought this lawsuit, right? So the Snapchat had this little filter to it. So you're driving down the road, you take a picture of how fast you're going. So some knucklehead is driving and says, oh, I'm going to go really fast and take a picture of it. And of course, gets in an accident. They sue the driver and they sue Snapchat. Judge comes back and says, Snapchat does not have a duty to third parties. Just, so you cannot bring this claim. It feels really analogous, but we'll see.
Okay. Thank you for breaking it down for us.
Sure.
Appreciate you.